All right, a few days ago, I bent my mower blade on my Ryobi Zero Turn, and I'm going to try and straighten it out. These blades, you only find blades at Home Depot, and they're $40 a set, so that's $20 a piece. Sorry about my voice, got a little laryngitis thing going on. So I'm going to try and use a pipe wrench and lean back on this thing. You really can't hit them with a hammer because it's like a big spring. And it just bounces like crazy. So I've tried that. So got it pretty straight so far, so we'll compare it to a relatively straight one. There we go. All right, we got a little more work to do. Got a little twist in it. Another bend over this end. Tweaking it. And there we go. That's pretty straight for my purposes. Thank you very much.